So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is the officially website of the Gigabyte. You can download the driver any Gigabyte devices. So after that you can see this is the language and this is model number and this is search box. You just click on that. After click the enter your model number B760M D3HP DDR4 and then hit enter. Then click on the name of the title. Then click on support. Then select the operating system, which is Windows 10 11. So no worry about it if you're in Windows 11, sorry, Windows 11 10. So this is installations both same, Windows 10 11 installations same. It's done and close it. Okay, LAN driver and Realtek LAN driver, and click to download. Click When you click on download, it will start downloading like that. So when it is completed, just open it and double click to exe. Click on yes. Now you can see this is installing. It will close automatically, means this is installed. Okay, so it is closed, means this is installed.